Well, YouTube, back at you, YouTube. I told you this was the Cutlass. We're putting a frame, different frame, back over the Cutlass. Hopefully, I can get my GoPro to work, and we can get everything going. This is the core support. This is the motor. We just started today. Day off work. I'm gonna take this motor. It's freshly rebuilt. It's been sitting in this car for 7 to 8 years. Drove it today for the first time in a while. Runs beautifully, but again, that frame is going under here. And we're going to change the color. Actually, I think we're going with the same champagne color, GM champagne color. But obviously, we got to take the motor out. So by doing that, we're going to freshen up, repaint the firewall, and then of course onto the bodywork of this car. Looks like a bomb exploded over there, and RPG hit here. I'm not sure what's going on, but this thing is in need of help and love, and we're about to give it love, happiness, and put the finesse on it. And yeah, here it comes, coming on down the line. So this is an update. We'll be back at you when we got something new. Peace, don't stress, and God bless.